Hello everyone and welcome back to Bonjour, Hello, Hola. This is our second Spanish lesson where you're going to learn how to count from 0 to 30 in Spanish. If you want to check out Spanish Lesson 1, we'll link it in the top right corner. Before we jump in, be sure to subscribe for more Spanish learning material and like this video if you find it helpful. Let's start right from the very beginning. Many people already know the basics of Spanish counting, especially because a lot of it sounds similar to counting in French or other Romance languages. Repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you head into the teens, you'll notice that many of the words take the root 1 to 9 sounds. 12 takes the root of dos, and 13 from tres. 15 is easy to remember if you know what a quinceañera is. From 16 to 19, you're going to use the formula of 10 plus y for and the base number. So 6, 7, 8, o 9. Repeat after me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. For the 20s, you just have to remember that 20 is 20. Depending on where you speak Spanish, you may find that some people pronounce the V as a B, so it may sound more like 20. Either way, they mean the same thing. The pattern for the 20s is as follows. 20 plus y for and the number. Repeat after me. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And again, you'll just have to memorize that 30 is 30. When you have numbers ending in 1, whether it's uno or 21, you'll need to keep in mind a few things. First, these numbers have more than one form to agree with nouns. Before masculine nouns, uno will drop the O and become un. Before feminine nouns, the O will change to an A, so you'll have una. The second thing to note is that uno or the uno ending will always be used when counting. It will also not change to un or una when it follows a noun, even a feminine noun. So you would say la lección uno, even though la lección is feminine. Now you try. Here are some numbers. Try to say them in Spanish. Pause the video now to test your skills and click play when you're ready for the answers. Did you get them right? Check your answers on the screen. And there you have it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time on Bonjour, Hello, Hola.